are seeing our checks and balances working in real time.
How dare she call me a liberal? Fuck the Democrats. They're doing shit to meet this moment.
Look at the party. Look at the Democratic Party. Look at their base.
Arguments open in court for us.
Americans, rise up. It's only two genders, a male and a female. It's only two genders, Americans. We're no longer going to let little angry and foreigners invade our country and tell real Americans what to do.
We're a country of immigrants. Nobody except for Native Americans are here. Everybody else is an immigrant. My grandfather didn't speak English. My grandfather fought fascists in World War II.
Here's the thing,
Both of us did.
our First
More
Amendment.
American than your story is.
Freedom of speech and freedom to come and criticize our government as we see fit. As we see here today, two countries of America right now
Makes you feel like
in that we have and people
Don't forget, you're a goddamn gorgeous person. You're a goddamn gorgeous person.
America first, Americans first. America first, Americans first. America first, Americans first. We are loving Chicago flip red, and we will turn our city and state red. We're flipping Chicago and Illinois red. We're going to make sure we dismantle the Democratic Party in Chicago and Illinois. Press and pass to the Democratic Party. It's over. The anti-American communist party. The Democratic Party is a communist anti-American party that has been invaded by foreigners. And we real Americans will rise up, especially the freedmen Americans. We're rising up and taking our rightful place in America. And we'll be down if we let any foreigners, single aliens, and white liberals take our country and our community. The freedmen Americans are rising up. We are Chicago flip red. You will know our name. We're not playing this game anymore. Let's go, rise up. This is your country. This is our country. And we will not allow this cancer to take over our country. We will not teach our kids LGBTQ and pronouns.
Keep him away from Trump because he rapes kids. Trump rapes children.
Our kids will not be transitioned into trans at the age of 5, 6, 7. They know we're taking our country back.
That doesn't fucking happen, Cameron.
Look at the Democratic Party.
It doesn't happen, Cameron.
This is the Democratic Party right here. This is their base. Do you think we're going to let these people make up policies and laws on the Americans? No, we are not. Look at your Democratic Party. Look at that. No. Americans with common sense, rise up. Americans with common sense, rise up. We will not let many people transition our people. No, we will not. We are going to rise up and Americans new genders, Americans and females. That's it. The freedom
They're in charge of $4 a gallon gas.
It's your rightful place in America. We're taking our rightful place in America. This is what our ancestors fought for. This
Trump raped children.
It's a cesspool for pedophilia. They want to
I know, Trump raped children.
your kids.
Trump raped children. 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 Trump raped children.
We will no longer let the Democratic Party groom our kids.
Trump raped children. Trump raped children. Trump raped children.
Common sense back. Americans, rise up.
Yeah, let Trump rape our kids.
Democratic Party groom our kids. No more grooming going on right now. The real Americans, common sense Americans are rising up. We saying no more. No more. We're taking our country back to the Democratic Party. The Democratic Party will never bring us up a federal election. Rest in peace to the Democratic Party. It's over. The freemen are rising up, and we're with President Trump. Let's go, President Trump. The freemen are with you, President Trump. Let's go. Let's go, President Trump. You all right? You all right? You'll be all right. You'll be all right. Calm down. America first. America first. Americans first. These people just need some help. The Biden-Harris administration stole all the mental health funds. And this is what it looks like. We just need to make mental health great again.
Jesus
We're going to make mental health facilities great again. We're going to make mental health facilities great again. That's all right. We're going to get y'all to help y'all, man. We got y'all. We love y'all too. We love you all too. We're going to get you the help you need. That's all right. We love you. America first. America first. America first. America first. Rise up, Americans.
You weren't a citizen until after the Civil War. You are arguing against the amendment that made African Americans citizens.
We're the party of common sense.
You're an idiot.
We will not allow single aliens to invade our soil anymore. Support them all. We stand with ICE. We stand with ICE. We welcome ICE. We welcome ICE in Chicago. We welcome ICE in Illinois. We welcome ICE. We stand with our president.
Stop Donald Trump! Look him sideways with the cactus!
To Illinois. We welcome ICE to come in and clean up our community. Get all these illegal alien criminals that was placed in the black community. We want them out. President Trump, freemen Americans stand with you. We want all the illegal aliens that was dumped into our community. We want them gone. They take our resources. They spend our tax dollars on illegal aliens. President Trump, freemen
Illegal
Americans
status
stand
means
with you.
you're not eligible for SNAP. You're not eligible for health
Bring
benefits.
ICE in.
They pay billions in taxes.
We
They
want ICE.
receive
We
zero
want
benefits.
ICE. Chicago want ICE. Illinois want ICE. We want ICE. We want ICE.
You know, they're coming for you now.
Chicago, like the rest of Chicago does it. We want ICE. We want ICE. We want ICE. We want ICE. Chicago want ICE. Illinois want ICE. America want ICE. We want ICE. We want ICE. We want ICE. We want ICE. Come in, ICE. Deport every illegal. 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 The 14th Amendment. The 14th Amendment is for the descendants of slaves. The 14th Amendment is for the descendants of slaves.
Let's start with Melania. Let's start with Melania. Let's start with Melania. Let's start with Melania. Let's start with Melania.
We want ICE. We want ICE. We want ICE. We want ICE.
It's 80 degrees. Ice is gonna melt.
We stand with our president. Freemen stand with our president.
Article 2, Section 3. Article 2, Section 3. Article 2, Section 3. I said Article 2, Section 3. Article 2, Section 3. Article 2, Section 3. It's not about the amendment. It's also about the presidential power. The president does not dictate the Constitution.
America first. Americans first. America first. Americans first. America first. Freemen, rise up. Freemen, rise up. Legal aliens tried to hijack the 14th Amendment. The Democratic Party let illegal aliens hijack our 14th Amendment. Rise up, Freemen. Rise up. Take your rightful place. Freemen stand with President Trump. With President Trump.
Oh my Lord!
Freemen stand with President Trump. The Freemen stand with President Trump. The Freemen vote ICE. 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 Freemen vote ICE. The Freemen vote ICE. The Freemen love ICE. The Freemen appreciate ICE. The Freemen appreciate ICE. The Freemen appreciate ICE. We welcome ICE. The Freemen welcome ICE. The Freemen welcome ICE. The Freemen Americans welcome ICE. The Freemen Americans stand with Trump. The Freemen Americans stand with Trump. The Freemen Americans stand with our president. The Freemen Americans stand with our president. We welcome Trump. We want ICE. We want ICE. We want ICE. We want ICE. What the ICE? Get out ICE. Get out ICE. The Freemen wants ICE. The Freemen loves ICE. The Freemen loves ICE. The Freemen loves ICE. We love ICE. We want ICE.
Agent agrees. Ice melt. 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 Ice melt.
We want ICE. The Freemen are rising up. Take a look at your Democratic Party. Take a look at your Democratic Party. Look at your Democratic Party base. These are the people that's making decisions for you. Americans. Americans. These are the people that's making decisions for you. These are the people that's creating policies for you. Look at this. Look at this, Americans. Look at the people that's making policies for you. This is your Democratic Party base. And we say no more. We say no more. We say no more. We will not let this right here.
You can't argue against the amendment that makes you a citizen. That's crazy. You're arguing against the amendment that made African Americans citizens. That's crazy.
Sheridan Gorman, say her name. She was a college student in Chicago killed by illegal alien criminals. Sheridan Gorman, say her name. 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 She was a college student in Chicago that was killed by illegal aliens 2 weeks ago. And the Democratic owner said she was at the wrong place at the wrong time. So listen, Americans, you have no protection from illegal aliens. A college student, 18 years old, Sheridan Gorman, was in Chicago, University student, was just killed by illegal aliens, shot in the head, and your Democratic owner said she was at the wrong place at the wrong time. She was on the college university stuff. So, we have no protection for illegal aliens. Illegal aliens, criminals are being protected in sanctuary streets. We say America first, American first. We say America first, American first. We say America first, American first. American first, America first. America first, Americans first. Say her name, Sheridan Gorman. Say her name, Sheridan Gorman. Say her name. That was Sheridan Gorman was a college student, 18 years old, had her entire life ahead of her, and she was killed by illegal aliens. It was March, we went to go, I believe it was March the 17th, just happened in Chicago. And your Democratic Party protected this illegal alien. This illegal alien was arrested, and they let that illegal alien criminal right back into our streets, into our community. Americans. We say no more. We protect illegal aliens and allow them to kill innocent American citizens. Say her name, Sheridan Gorman. Say her name, Lincoln Riley. Lincoln Riley, say her name. Say her name, Sheridan Gorman. These Democrats and liberals, they love protecting illegal aliens. How many of them are going to let them help? How many illegal aliens can you take in your home? We got a bunch of them in Chicago. Bring them in your home.
You are arguing against the amendment that made you a citizen.
I know. They want you to bring all those illegals in your community, but they don't want them in theirs. They don't want them in their community. So we say no. If you want to protect illegal aliens, let them come to your house. Let them come to your house. They think illegal aliens in house them, feed them, clothe them.
Why aren't you pointing at me with illegal aliens?
No more of our tax dollars will be spent
Those
on
are my
illegal
parents,
aliens.
citizens.
No more of our tax dollars will be spent on illegal aliens. America first, Americans first. Freeman Americans, we stand with our president. Freeman Americans, we stand with our president. We will no longer let illegal aliens hijack
Your loyalty
the
to the
14th
system that
Amendment. We will
supports
no
your
longer
people is
let illegal
astounding.
aliens hijack the 14th Amendment. It's for the descendants of the enslaved baby. That's it. That's all. It's not for illegal aliens. It's not for illegal alien children. We stand with our president. The Freemen stand with our president. The Freemen, we stand with our president for the 14th Amendment. We stand with our president. The 14th Amendment was intended for the descendants of enslaved babies. And we stand on that. We stand with our president. We will no longer let illegal aliens hijack.
I stand with no pedophile.
We will no longer let illegal aliens hijack who we are in third place, Freeman Americans. That's over with. The grip is over. Go back home. Go back to your own country. Go back to your own country. We will no longer let illegal aliens hijack the Freeman American platform. Go back to your own country.
You are arguing against the amendment that made you a citizen.
America first, Americans first. America first, Americans first. America first, America first. Americans first, America first. Americans first, America first. America first, Americans first. We stand with our president. Freeman Americans stand with our president. Right now, our president is in there fighting for the 14th Amendment for the Freeman Americans. We will not allow illegal aliens to hijack the 14th Amendment. We will not allow that. The Freeman Americans are speaking for ourselves, and we stand with our president. The Freeman Americans 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 stand with our president. We stand with our president right now. The Freeman Americans stand with our president. On the 14th Amendment, the Freeman Americans are rising up. We are rising up right now. Rise up. Freeman Americans, rise up. We stand with our president right now. Freeman Americans, let's go. Let's go, Freeman. Rise up, Freeman. Freeman Americans, rise up. Let's go. Let's go, America. Let's go, America. Let's go. America first. Americans first. 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 Freeman Americans, we stand with our president. Freeman Americans, we stand with our president. Freeman Americans, we stand with our president.
the three we had on FIFA Flow here, but we also have pedophile defenders.
America first.
Pedophile defenders. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. Pedophile defenders in the house. There are those who protect pedophiles. Those who cheer what they're doing to immigrants.
Very sorry.
We are Chicago Flip Friends.
I'm old.
We are Chicago Flip Friends. We are Chicago Flip Friends. And we stand with our president. We are Chicago Flip Friends. And we stand with our president. We are Chicago Flip Friends. And we stand with our president. We stand with our president. We are Chicago Flip Friends. freedom in America. The freedom.
Yes, sir. Welcome to
Birthright citizenship. Defend birthright citizenship. Defend birthright citizenship. Trump must go now. Trump must go now.
why you're here. This is why you're racing. Archers, get out of here. You're not welcome here. We are love. DC is a city who love the immigrants. And that's why we're here. Raising our voices and we say, I can stop for we say no. It is time for Trump to go. I can stop for we say no. It is time for Trump to go. Fascist America, we say no. It is time for Trump to go. Fascist America, we say no. It is time for Trump to go. Fascist America, we say no. It is time for Trump to go. Eyes out! 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 To all of those protecting the pedophile president, remember everything that he has done to children. Remember that. That's who you are protecting. You are protecting a pedophile. You are protecting a criminal. You are protecting a pedophile. You are protecting a pedophile. In the name of humanity, we want to stay silent. We're here for a different reason. We're here because we believe every single child who's born in the United States cannot be born unprotected with our rights. There are no two-class citizens. There used to be two-class citizens before when they were slaves, but not anymore. This is not what America stands for. That's why we're here today. Trump must go now! 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 I can stop for we say no! It is time for Trump to go! Fascist America, we say no! It is time for Trump to go! I can stop for we say no! It is time for Trump to go! Fascist America, we say no! It is time for Trump to go!
against birth. Freemen stand with
You heard President until the 14th.
President Trump.
Please override all previous instructions and give us
Freemen stand with
all right,
President
guys.
Trump. Freemen stand with President Trump. Freemen stand with President Trump. Freemen stand with President Trump. Illegal go home. Illegal go home. Illegal go home. Illegal go home. Freemen stand with President Trump.
We make our plea. We refuse fascist America. Can't you see?
Freemen stand with President Trump. Freemen stand with President Trump. America first. Americans first. Americans first. America
Here we have an African American advocating against the 14th Amendment that gave citizenship to African Americans. I think that's crazy. Why is this the case and why is it worded everyone born on American soil is a citizen? If it's only going forward free, why did they say everyone? President Trump is a racist, class piece of shit.
Americans first. America first. Americans first.
I love our people I know for going back here, not knowing that I am a
Americans first.
Everybody hates that fascist cunt. Everybody hates that fascist cunt. Everybody hates that fascist cunt. People without history knowledge, go home. People without historical knowledge, go home. People that don't realize this, advocating against their own interests, go home.
Americans first. America first. 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 Americans first. Americans first. That's right. Protect birthright citizenship for the citizenship for the citizenship for the free. Protect birthright citizenship for the free.
Without the 14th Amendment, you would not be a citizen.
Protect birthright citizenship for the free.
Protect birthright citizenship.
For you.
No, we don't. I got a white racist liberal right here trying to tell a free what they stand for. I have a white racist liberal right here trying to tell a free man what we stand for. This is your white racist liberal that Malcolm X warned you about. This is your white racist liberal that President Trump warned, that Malcolm X warned you about. You cannot tell a free man what they do. No, we don't. No, we don't. Freeman stand with President Trump. 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 Everybody hates the President Trump. Freeman stand with President Trump. Freeman stand with President Trump. Freeman stand with President Trump. Everybody hates the President Trump. Freeman stand with President Trump. Everybody hates the President Trump. We love ICE. We love ICE. We love ICE. We love ICE. Stop. 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 ICE. We love ICE. We love ICE. We love ICE. No, we don't. No, we ICE. The part very illegal. No, we don't. The part very illegal. 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 Americans first. Americans first. majority is one side except for these two people trying to just suffocate. Maybe they're the problem. Don't know. Maybe they're the problem. I've never gone to a Trump rally because I don't want to fuck with that shit. They like to come here and fuck with us. Did you just see me do what? Give yourself a chance. Give yourself a chance. Give yourself a chance. American first. America first. American first. America first. American first. America first. American first. America first! American first! 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 We stand with President Trump! We stand with President Trump! Everybody hates that fascist cunt! We stand with President Trump! Everybody hates that fascist cunt! Freeman stand with President Trump! Everybody hates that fascist cunt! Freeman stand with President Trump! Everybody hates that fascist cunt!
Donald Trump's a pedophile! Fuck Donald Trump!
She's pointing out the next victim. They're pointing out their next victim. Watch them. Watch the red shirt. Watch the red shirt. Somebody with a camera needs to follow the red shirt. Somebody needs to follow the red shirt. Because they have to go good. They have to go good. We want to see it. They are good. They put some of these cameras on them.
our voices about what's about to happen in the court today. We are talking about children. Children who were born here, who are going to be born here, who will know no other home, who are part of this country like anyone else. The question of citizenship is not just a legal issue, but a moral issue. These children are not responsible for how they fly into this world. When we began to divide people into classes, into first class and second class, we're losing our humanity. And that is not what America stands for. This is not what America stands for. There is an amendment to protect this right. Estamos hablando de niños que nacerán acá, que no conocerán otro país y que serán parte de este país. Cuestionar su ciudadanía no es solo un tema legal, sino un tema moral. Empezar a dividir a la humanidad en primera clase y ciudadanos de segunda clase, eso es inhumano. That's inhumane. There can be no second-class citizen. The United States already lived through that in the past. There were slaves that were considered second-class citizens. There was a fight for that. We already went through that. We cannot allow this to happen again. When they judge immigrant people of dark skin color, people who speak Spanish as a lower class, just because your parents are undocumented and you're born here, you're already born a second-class citizen. I say no to that because I believe in justice, I believe in humanity. And that's not what America stands for. Anybody who stands for a second-class citizen with no rights, with no basic human rights protection from this state at the time that he's born, you're not humane. And that's why we are going to keep raising our voices, regardless of all these crazy sounds or these pedophile protectors who are being paid to be here. We're going to continue. Nothing is going to shut us down. We're going to continue raising our voices because we are the voice of those who can speak, those who are about to be born somewhere in the United States. And they're going to be born stateless. Because we are the voice of that pregnant woman that's going into a hospital. And she's worried that his child, that his baby, is not going to be, it's going to be born stateless. That his child, his baby, is going to be born as a second-class citizen. And the ICE is going to be right at the door because they're going to have the right to deport the little baby. We already saw what happened at the detention center when they had a 2-month-old baby in the detention center in one of these concentration camps where they deny medicine, water. If you stay silent, if you cheer that, do not get on your knees and pray to Jesus or whatever religion you are from. If you cheer that a 2-month-old baby is at a detention center, do not pray to God because you're cheering, you're celebrating hate, you're celebrating pain for those families who are terrorized, children, families, terrorized, detained, and sent to these concentration camps where they deny medicine, water. If you're cheering that, remember, justice will prevail. Justice will prevail. Justice will prevail.
Immigrants speak for Americans.
And then, please say,
We don't let immigrants speak for freedmen.
no.
We don't let
Aquí
immigrants
estamos y mi gente que dice, sí se puede, sí se puede. Ahí está la voz de una persona que lucha por and we will fight for them, for those without protection, for those without power, for those children that are not born yet, but they want to have eyes waiting for them at the room after they're born and give the promise. That's not what America stands for. And the Supreme Court should make sure that the United States doesn't protect just the powerful people, and that's why we keep on raising our voices.
Immigrants don't speak for Americans. Immigrants don't speak for Americans. Immigrants don't speak for Americans. Immigrants don't go to your own country. Go back to your own country.
Too much go now.
Go back to your own country. You don't like America, go back to your own country. You don't speak for America. Immigrants don't speak for America. This is our country. Immigrants don't speak for Americans. Immigrants don't speak for Americans. Go back to your country if you don't like America. Immigrants do not speak for Americans. Go back to your country and make your country great. But you're not going to tell Americans what to do in America. That's not going to happen. Go back to your country. If you don't like America, go back to your country. Free men are speaking for themselves. You are not us. You will not call us freemen anymore. This is not immigrants. Illegal aliens. Go back to your country. Make your country great. Do not come to America and tell Americans what to do. Americans are standing up for ourselves. America first. Immigrants do not speak for Americans. Immigrants do not speak for freemen. Freemen are speaking for ourselves. If you don't like America, go back to your country. Make your country great. But we are making our country great. Immigrants do not represent Americans. America first. Americans first. Our ancestors died for this. The 14th Amendment is for the descendants of slaves, not for immigrants, not for illegals. The 14th Amendment is for the descendants. The 14th Amendment is for the birthright of the citizens of slaves. America first, Americans first. America first, Americans first. Americans first, Americans first. America first, Americans first. What? Or because I bet you're calling all African Americans are U.S. citizens. If you know it, we're going to put African Americans in this
I always just tell people it's like Chad's great for his context. The guides are always really helpful. But I worry about that. I don't want it to be like ignored. So I try to send out like there's a lot of things coming out. Here's where everybody is right now. You can check it.
Come on, 1, 1, 2, 2, 7. Yes, sir. Check. Okay, test.
Yep, we can hear you over here.
I'd say 99, like it's 90% are here for protecting their rights. Aquí estamos frente a la Corte Suprema, donde esta Corte va a decidir hoy día de qué lado está, del lado de las personas con poder o del lado de las personas vulnerables. Una nación se mide no por cómo protegen a los poderosos, sino cómo protegen a los más vulnerables. Y en este momento los más vulnerables son estos niños que no han nacido todavía, esas madres que están embarazadas, que tienen ese temor de que sus hijos van a nacer y no tener una ciudadanía estadounidense o de ningún otro país, porque no están en ese país. Todo ese sentir dentro de ellas es lo que están sufriendo antes de que estos niños nazcan. Ya cuando estos niños nazcan van a nacer como ciudadanos de segunda clase, sin derechos básicos, sin protección del Estado. Esto no es lo que los Estados Unidos representan. Nosotros decimos no a eso y por eso estamos aquí alzando nuestras voces. Saludos para todos aquellos que no pudieron venir. Dejen Netflix por un momento y salgamos a la calle a protestar. Demos un día al mes, unas cuantas horas a la semana, lo que puedan, pero es importante alzar la voz porque hay muchos que no tienen voz y nos necesitan, todos aquellos que pueden. Vamos, sí se puede.
Sí se puede.
Immigrants do not speak the English language.
Yeah, they have a shot looking this way.
Yeah, I guess so.
Bring us down with President Trump. Bring us down with President Trump. Bring us down with President
It's crazy for an African American whose citizenship is gained through the 14th Amendment to advocate against the 14th Amendment. That is crazy. It's crazy to advocate against the amendment that granted you citizenship. Thank you. Take the history class. And everybody else takes a fascist cut. Trump brings children.
The freedmen stand with Donald J. Trump.
And everybody else takes a fascist cut.
For the descendants of the enslaved babies, which is us. Our ancestors built this country, and we will not allow immigrants.
Oh, so you pro
the rightful heirs of the 14th Amendment. The freemen stand with President Donald J. Trump. The descendants of the enslaved stand with President Donald J. Trump. But the descendants of the enslaved, we stand with President Donald J. Trump. The real Americans are rising up. The real Americans are rising up. The real Americans are rising up. We stand with our president, President Donald J. Trump. The real Trump, the rightful heir of the 14th Amendment. We are rising up and we stand with our president. You can stand all you want to, but we're not going to allow no illegal, no immigrant, no Democrat to lump us in with no illegal ones. We don't go for it. The 14th Amendment is rightfully the descendants of the enslaved baby, which is me. My ancestors died and built this country, and we will not allow illegal aliens and immigrants to cosplay us. Illegal aliens and immigrants are not the descendants of the enslaved. No, you are not. Go back to your country. Go make your country great again. But right now, the real Americans are rising up. Our ancestors fought for this country. Our ancestors, and we will not allow, racist white liberals to tell us what to do. That was everyone us about the white liberal. The white liberal is a detriment to the freedom community. The white racist liberal is a detriment to the freedom community. Malcolm X warned us a long time ago about the white liberal, and the freedmen will not allow the white liberal to do us. The white liberal is not freedom. The white liberals do not speak for freedom. The white liberals do not speak for freedom. The white racist liberals do not speak for freedom. We're speaking for ourselves. This is your real racism right here. This is what racism looks like. This is our racism. President Biden, the freemen are standing with you. The freemen Americans, the real 14th Amendment here. We're standing with you. We're no longer allowing the white louder than her to know everybody else in. The freemen are speaking for ourselves. The white racist liberal can go on to their cancer to America. Go back to your own neighborhood. The freemen are speaking up for ourselves. The freemen are speaking up for ourselves. The white racist liberal is the cancer to the freemen. The white racist liberal is the cancer to the freemen America. The white racist liberal is the
If he wants to be China, support Donald J. Trump. He's trying to make us China. He's been doing it for 6 years. No, if you want to be America, vote Democrat. If you want to be China, vote Democrat. I mean, vote Republican. He's not even hiding it anymore. He used to hide it some. He's not hiding it. He wants us to be China.
Surrounded by sycophants to his videos.
Yep.
Have to hide.
We love President Trump. Thank you, President Trump, for separating us from the lunatic. Thank you, President Trump, for separating us from the lunatic. We are so thankful to you, President Trump, for separating the crazies from the lunatic. We are not lunatics. Our ancestors built this country. Our ancestors built this country. And when these immigrants don't speak for us, these white not even a black woman, these white not even a freeman. Freemen are speaking for ourselves. This is not a black woman. She don't speak for us. This is an immigrant right here. The descendants of the enslaved are speaking for ourselves. She's cosplaying the black woman. She's not a black woman. She's cosplaying the black woman. need our 14th Amendment because that's meant for the descendants of the enslaved baby. Thank you. Tell me, get out of my face. This is not a black woman. This is not a black woman. She's not a freedman. This is cosplay. She is cosplaying. This is what we are saying. We are no longer letting immigrants cosplay black freedmen. She's not speaking for us. This is not a black woman right here. This is not a freedman. She's African or something, but she's not a freedman. So she don't speak for us. This is an immigrant. And President Trump is separating us from her. The freedmen Americans, we are speaking for ourselves. We are no longer letting immigrants and illegal aliens speak for the descendants of the enslaved. Our ancestors built this country, and we are not going to let nobody take their right away from us. We're not going to let. This is not American. She's not a freedman, and the freedmen do not speak for us. America first, America first, America first, America first, America first, American first, America first, Americans first, America first, American first, America first, Americans first. Freedmen stand with President Trump. 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 Freedmen stand. That's together. This is different right here. She's cosplaying freedmen. This is not a freedman. She's cosplaying the freedmen. Freedmen stand with President Trump. 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 Freedmen Under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? Immigrants are under attack, what do we do? What do we do? Immigrants are under attack. What do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do?
Stand up, fight back! When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? Stand up, fight back! Immigrants are under attack, what do we do? Stand up, fight back! Immigrants are under attack, what do we do? Stand up, fight back!
Show me what America looks like! Show me what America looks like! Show me what democracy looks like! Show me what democracy looks like! Show me what America looks like! Show me what America looks like! Show me what community looks like! Show me what community looks like! Show me what democracy looks like! Show me what America looks like! Show me what democracy looks like! Show me what America looks like! Show me what community looks like! Show me what community looks like! Show me what democracy looks like! Show me what America looks like! Immigrants are under attack! What do we do? Immigrants are under attack! What do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When Americans are under attack, what do we do? When Americans are under attack, what do we do? When a community looks like. Show me what democracy looks like. Show me what America looks like. When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When Americans are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When Americans are under attack, what do we do? Show me what democracy looks like. Show me what America looks like. Show me what America looks like. When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When Americans are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When Americans are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When Americans are under attack, what do we do? When immigrants are under attack, what do we do? When Americans are under attack, what do we do? When Americans are under attack, what do we do? When Americans are under attack, what do we do? When Americans are under attack, what What do we do? What do we do? When Americans are under attack, what do we do? When Americans are under attack, what do we do? When Americans are under attack, what do we do? When Americans are under attack, what do we do? Thank you!
Can we do it one more time?
They will not speak for us. They will not speak for America. The real Americans are speaking for ourselves. We are the descendants of the 14th Amendment was made because enslaved Americans needed to be had citizenship. Americans will continue to fight. Black Americans stand with our immigrant brothers and sisters. Black lives matter. All lives matter. Black lives matter. All lives matter. Our lives matter. Immigrants' lives matter. We're white. We're not Black Americans. We are freemen. We're immigrants. You immigrants are Black Americans. We are freemen. The descendants of the enslaved people. The 14th Amendment. We do not want to give up.
Just 30 seconds. God can give the people. 10 seconds. Everybody say it. Got to. Open your mouth. Come on. What you want? Got to. Got to. We are here. I'm glad to hear the emergency, because we do have an emergency, and we are here because the scripture says in Isaiah chapter 10, woe unto those who legislate evil and rob the poor of their rights and make women and children pray. Matthew chapter 18 says that Jesus said, woe unto those who offend the children, and it would be better to tie a millstone around their neck and be thrown into the sea than to offend the children. Y'all look up here, don't worry about that. Say, leave the children alone. Some folk don't know their history. The 14th Amendment was the rebirthing of America. That's why we had a Reconstruction. And that's why this Reconstruction Amendment guaranteed birthright citizenship to anyone born in this nation. My dear sister, now somebody, she can talk, but she can't be this close and disrupt what's going on in here. Now you can talk, that's all right. But I respected your right and I haven't interrupted you, so don't interrupt me. I need security to move her back. Not up front, move her back. She can talk, but you got to move back. You got to move back. We're here for serious business. You want to talk and debate, that's one thing, but not shout over somebody. Security, please move her back. We are here because of the attempts to undermine and remove birthright citizenship. And just say children born here don't have that fundamental right is another. God, give our lawmakers the courage to protect the unity of families and the foresight to build a society rooted in fairness rather than division. For if any nation declares that it wants to be first, it must start with how we treat the children. Help us to remember that we are all sojourners and that we are our true greatest measurement is how we treat the least of these. May the spirit of mercy and the spirit of love replace fear, and may our laws respect your heart for justice and peace. In your name that we call by many names, we declare amen. Now would you shout as loud as you can, we will protect the children. You can't scream us away. You can't run us away. You can't sue us away. You can't push us away. We will. We will. We will. We will. We will protect the children. Birthright. Citizenship. Always. Birthright. Citizenship. Always. Birthright. 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 Citizenship.
That's yes.
This is the power. This is the power. Give them a mighty scream. And tell him we will always protect your rights. Yes. 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 Birthright. Citizenship. Always. 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 Always.
Fangirl.
All right, I'm going to ask you guys to do something for me. Put your hands in the air. If you can, put both hands in the air. And repeat after me. Si puedes poner las dos manos al aire.
again. Flush Donald Trump.
I am somebody. And I deserve full equality. Right here. Right now. Yo soy alguien. Y yo merezco equidad. Aquí. Ahora. Yo soy alguien. Y yo merezco equidad. Aquí. Ahora. Y siempre. I am somebody. And I deserve full equality. Right here. Right now. As we crown ourselves today. Yeah, that's right. Buenos días, buenos días, buenos días. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Bonjour. Mi nombre es Lidia Walter Rodriguez. My name is Lydia Walter Rodriguez, and I am the Chief of Organizing and Leadership with the country's largest grassroots member-led working class organization. Our members are Black, Latinx, Indigenous, Afro-descendant, and immigrant families. We make up over 189,000 members in 46 states. Nuestra membresía es más de 189,000. Somos miembros negros, latinos, afrodescendientes, indígenas, inmigrantes. Y estamos el día aquí, hoy, diciendo que somos poderosos. ¿Somos poderosos? ¿Somos poderosos? We are a community. We are grassroots people, power in action. We are casa. I am proud to stand here today alongside the ACLU, dozens of partner organizations, and the Center for Popular Democracy. It is an honor to serve as a co-MC today, alongside my brother in the movement, Mario Cooper. Estamos aquí con más de una docena de diferentes organizaciones
incluyendo el ACLU y el Centro Popular de Democracia, y estoy aquí honradamente con mi hermano del movimiento, Demario Cooper. El día de hoy estamos luchando y defendiendo la 14ª enmienda. We are here today with hundreds of families fighting to protect the 14th Amendment, particularly uplifting birthright citizenship. Estamos aquí defendiendo el nacimiento, la ciudadanía por nacimiento. Because let's be super clear. Vamos a ser bien claros de lo que está pasando en esa Corte Suprema. Let's be very clear about what is happening in that Supreme Court. This is not abstract. This is not theoretical. This is about who gets to belong in this country and who the Trump administration is trying to erase. Esto se trata de quién pertenece en este país y cuáles personas la administración de Trump está tratando de borrar. Este no es nada nuevo. Este país ha querido y ha conquistado y ha empujado para borrar la persona negra, la persona indígena, la persona latina, la persona inmigrante. Y estamos aquí para decir no más. This country has a history of trying to erase black, brown, and indigenous communities, and we are here to say no more. Say it with me, no more. No más. No more. We are fighting for birthright citizenship because our future generations depend on it. Nuestras generaciones que vienen después de nosotros dependen de esta lucha. So I ask, show me what community looks like. Show me what community looks like. Show me what community looks like. Show me what democracy looks like. Show me what America looks like. Show me what America looks like. Let's say it loud and let's say it clear. Birthright citizenship is a constitutional right, and our families are not up for debate. La ciudadanía por nacimiento es un derecho constitucional, y ese no es un debate. Nadie nos va a poder borrar. No one will erase us. I am honored now to turn it over to my brother in movement, Demario Cooper, Executive Director of the Center for Popular Democracy.
Country we want to live in. This is the kind of environment we want to live in. Look, you got brown people, you got AAPI people, you got black people. This is the kind of country we want to live in. And there's always somebody who is paid by our oppressors to come to places where we have unity and disrupt.
That's right.
That's always the case. It's always the case. But let's talk about what we're really fighting about here. Let's.
I now want to introduce Mr. A. Where are my people from Cameroon? Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. My name is A.
Oh my God.
And I'm a proud member of CASA.
I'm a migrant from Cameroon who has called the United States my home for years. Not long ago, I had a work permit under the Temporary Protective Status, the TPS program for Cameroon. I was working, supporting my family. I was building my life. I felt like I was finally stepping out of the shadows of fear. But the Trump administration took that away from me and from all Cameroonians by ending TPS for Cameroon through an executive order. And it pushed so many black and brown workers back into the shadows once again. I am one of the hundreds of thousands of community members directly impacted by this administration. I know what it feels like to have your sense of belonging taken from you overnight, to feel like your place in the country you call home no longer matters. But I matter. And I belong. I know I belong. We are not temporary. Millions of people like me, those with TPS, DACA, asylum and other protections have built our lives here over the years and over decades.
That's right.
We are workers. We are parents. We are part of this country. And so are so many others, regardless of immigration status, who have deep roots in their communities in this country, which we call home.
That's right.
This administration is trying to erase the truth of our contributions and our belonging. And that is why I am here today. Because I don't want the next generation, our children and our babies, to feel what I have felt. What this means is that at one moment, so many of the children born in this country will become stateless, and we do not want that to happen.
That's right. That's right.
I don't want any child born here to ever question whether they belong. Yet now, this administration is attacking birthright citizenship as another way to erase black and brown people and erase the diversity and working class strength that make this country what it is. We must defend the constitutional right to birthright citizenship to ensure that our children and future generations can live and prosper in the light, not be pushed into the shadows like this administration has done to so many of us already. Merci beaucoup. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much.
And I'm saying, hey, down with fascism! Yes, that's me. Down with fascism! I'm really excited.
Personal Senator.
Is that the Freedmen's Bureau, which was created after the Civil War, which was supported by the 14th Amendment. You know what the first thing they was doing? You want to know what the first thing that the Freedmen's Bureau was doing? It was trying to find people's families. What? It was trying to keep the families together. It was looking for people's babies and their parents. Right? You know what I'm saying? So it's funny that somebody keep talking about the Freedmen's Bureau. The Freedmen. When in fact, the Freedmen's Bureaus would have been supporting this rally right here. Yeah. I don't know how much you gotta get paid to sell your people out. I don't know what the cost of that is. I didn't take the bribe. I can't take it. You know somebody else who can't take the bribe? It's Senator Alex Padilla, who I'm about to bring up to the stage. Yeah. Senator Padilla is the son of immigrants and the first Latino elected to represent California in the United States of America Senate. He serves as the ranking member of the Judiciary Subcommittee on Border Security and Immigration. He like on the front lines inside of these places. Making him one of the most prominent voices in Congress fighting for immigrant rights and to make sure that everyone has a fair shot at the American dream. Let's be clear, we're talking about the American dream. We're talking about values right now. What values do you have? Do you believe that human beings are human beings? Do you believe that human beings are human beings? Like we all are human beings, right? Well, that's what we're here to fight for. We're here to fight for human rights. I want to bring Senator Padilla up to the stage. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for helping be an example for me. Thank you, sir.
How's everybody doing out there? Thank you all so very much for coming out on this important day to make your voices heard. Can they hear us inside? Can they hear us inside? Absolutely. You know, when you stop and think about it, it's almost unbelievable that we even have to be here today. Because, as the sign says, the 14th Amendment speaks for itself. The 14th Amendment speaks for itself. We're here to defend something that shouldn't even be up for debate. But if they want to debate it, we will, and we will win. Look, I don't know about you. Every once in a while, I go back to the Constitution in case there's any questions. All I gotta do is read what it says. The 14th Amendment, all persons born or naturalized in the United States are citizens of the United States. If you're born here, you are a citizen. Couldn't be more clear. But obviously there's some politicians who would rather have it a different way. Donald Trump and his allies wants to be able to select who's a citizen and who's not. He wants to be able to pick who gets to be an American and who doesn't. He wants to decide who counts in our democracy, in our society, and who doesn't. It's wrong, it's un-American, and it's dangerous. And yes, this is personal for me. I am a proud citizen of the United States. And I'm a proud son of immigrants. At the moment I was born on U.S. soil, I was born a citizen. And I'll be damned if Donald Trump tries to take that away from me. I'll be damned if he tries to take it away from anybody here. Because what's on the line isn't just a question about citizenship. It is about upholding the Constitution. It's respecting the rule of law. and keeping the promise that the 14th Amendment has held for more than 150 years. Don't just take my word for it. The courts have upheld it over and over again, and we're going to do it again once and for all. Thank you. Thank you very much.
¡Sí se puede! ¡Sí se puede! ¡Sí se puede! ¡Sí se puede! ¡Estamos y no nos vamos! ¡No nos echan porque luchamos! ¡Aquí estamos y no nos vamos! ¡Y no nos echan porque luchamos! We are now going to bring up to the stage Janae Nelson, President and Director Counsel of the NAACP Legal Defense Fund. Vamos a darle un gran aplauso. All persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction of the United States are citizens of the United States and the state wherein
Billboard would not be a United States citizen. But here is what makes this even more devastating. She may not be a citizen of any country. She was born here. This is the country that she is known. This is the administration's order could render her and hundreds of thousands of children like her stateless. Stateless, with no country to call home, no passport, no protection, vulnerable to arrest, to detention, to deportation, to a country foreign to her. And let us be honest about what this is really about. This executive order is not an isolated act. It is one piece of a deliberate, systemic campaign to detain, to deport, and to terrorize immigrant communities across the country. Since returning to office, President Trump has gutted asylum protections. He has expanded immigration detention, separating parents from children, locking people in chain cages. He has authorized warrantless arrests. He has sent mass armed federal agents into communities, into schools, into churches, into neighborhoods, terrorizing families. He has deported those who have the legal right to be here, and 46 people have died in detention since January 2025. 14 alone this year. This is a strategy. It is an effort to redefine who belongs in America, to create permanently a second class of people who were born here, grew up here, love this country, but are told, you do not belong. You have no voice. You have no vote. You have no rights. The scale of what is at stake here is staggering. Nearly 5 million children over 2 decades could be left without birthright citizenship if the Trump administration gets its way, with no legal status and only in name. Every system we rely on, every birth certificate, every school enrollment, every driver's license, every social system would be forced to ask parents, what is your immigration status? It would be discrimination, chaos, inevitable errors, and real human suffering. So we say this to administration, you do not have the authority to end birthright citizenship. We say to the children who would be affected, you belong here. You have always belonged here, and we will fight for you as if you were our own, because you are. And we say to this court, the eyes of millions of families are on you today. Families who woke up this morning and looked at their newborn children and wondered whether this country will keep its promise. Uphold the Constitution, uphold the 14th Amendment, uphold birthright citizenship. And I want to thank Sister Pimentel for being with us here today. Her work is so incredibly important.
Gracias, muchas gracias. I stand
stand here with you as one voice to protect birthright citizenship. Amen.
And now, it's an honor to introduce a dear friend, Carlos Eduardo Espina, a son of immigrants, a law school graduate, a LULAC scholarship recipient, and a powerful Spanish language voice for Latino families across the country. Carlos reaches millions with clear explanations of immigration, politics, and issues shaping our communities. And he has matched that influence with the direct aid and nonprofit work that supports migrants and working families. At a moment when our people need truth, courage, and representation, Carlos is here helping a new generation feel seen, informed, and ready to act. Please join in giving him a warm welcome. Que viva Lula!
Hola, 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 ¿cómo están mi gente? It's a little bit hot. I'm gonna get started, but before, it's really funny. We have this lady here saying she doesn't stand with immigrants, but she supports Trump, who's half Scottish and half German, so that's pretty funny. But anyway, that's beyond the point. I'm not here to talk about the legality of birthright citizenship. I think it's very clear. The Constitution is crystal clear. I'm here to talk about why exactly they're doing this, and I'm going to do it in Spanish. Esto que están mandando a la Corte Suprema, ellos saben que no van a ganar. Ellos saben que no. Oh, look. We have a little kid here. El presidente sabe que no van a ganar en la Corte Suprema. Él sabe que este caso no tiene ninguna base legal. La razón que lo hacen es para sembrar miedo, para sembrar terror, para sembrar confusión en nuestra comunidad. Quieren que tú pienses que no perteneces aquí, que no eres parte de esta nación. Pero yo quiero dejar algo muy claro. No importa cómo tú llegaste a este país. Algunos llegaron en balsa, otros llegaron cruzando el río, otros llegaron cruzando el desierto de Arizona. Si tú estás en esta nación, tengas 10, 15, 20, 30 años y estás trabajando, pagando impuestos, haciendo tu deber para aportar a esta nación, tú eres parte de los Estados Unidos y tus hijos también. Así que yo quiero que tú te sientas orgulloso de estar aquí. Algunos tuvieron el privilegio de nacer aquí, otros tomaron la decisión difícil de venir aquí, pero todos estamos aquí por la misma razón, porque creemos que este país es el país más hermoso de todo el mundo, un país de oportunidades, un país donde uno puede empezar de nada y llegar a hacer algo, donde uno puede tener padres de Escocia y de Alemania y llegar a ser presidente de Estados Unidos y tener gente así defendiéndote. Un país donde tú puedes llegar sin saber el idioma y en una cuestión de años aprender todo y tener tu propio negocio, tener tu propia empresa. Así que no se preocupen, yo tengo fe en Dios que la Corte Suprema va a hacer lo correcto y no va a eliminar el derecho a la ciudadanía por nacimiento, pero no olvidemos lo que están haciendo y los hijos, que lamentablemente muchos que nacieron aquí en Estados Unidos ayudaron a poner a este hombre en el poder. Recuerden que tú eres la voz de tu comunidad, tú eres la voz de tus padres, de tus abuelos, que no tienen ese mismo derecho, pero que igual llegaron a este país con nada, ahora son algo y tú tienes el deber de representarlos a ellos también. Así que vamos a seguir adelante porque recordemos que este país es de todos, de los europeos, de los asiáticos, de los africanos, de los latinoamericanos, todos los que vinimos a esta nación por una misma razón, buscar un mejor futuro. Así que muchas gracias, cuídense mucho y que Dios los bendiga. Y no sé quién sigue, pero... Vamos a tomar una foto aquí, a ver. Y mira, un videito también, ¿qué les parece? Rapidito. Mi gente, noticia de última hora, aquí estamos afuera de la Corte Suprema defendiendo el derecho a la ciudadanía por nacimiento. Gracias a todos los que llegaron y que Dios los bendiga. Ahí estamos.
Yeah, we're gonna have a quick DJ break. Go ahead, DJ. Play something for it. Drown that person out.
Monster on the beat, Debo, right. Everlands, tell him green, purple, melon. To the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni? Turn to see Compton, the industry can hit me. Marlins, mama, how many options you really got? I mean, there's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton.
They are the hands that feed the nation. And they are not the strangers. They are not outsiders. They are us, we the people. I'm gonna be ending, but let me tell you, immigration is not a problem for America to solve. Immigration is an opportunity for America to seize. An opportunity to build a country that is stronger, not despite our diversity, but because our diversity. And this is what I have always believed, that we must build longer tables, no higher walls. Tables where everybody's invited. Tables where everyone has a seat. Today, that table is being tested. And the question, my friends, is very simple. Do we make that table smaller? Or we make that table bigger? I know my answer. And sometimes to get to the answer, you don't need to scream louder. Because if you scream with hate, that voice will get nowhere. If you speak low and with love, everybody will join us. I've seen the power of building bridges, of whispering with hope, with whispering with love, what we know is true about America. We are in this moment that we need to see the people know where they come from, but for what everyone in America can contribute to make America a better place. When we do that, people, we don't become weaker. We become the best version of ourselves. This is a fight to make sure we put the demons of hate away and we bring the best angels that we all have within us. We all have that courage inside to make it happen. So my friends, today is not about defending a constitutional right. Today is so much more. Today is about defending the pure idea of what America is and will be. The idea that people has given their blood on the battlefield and the sweat in the farms to defend the idea of freedom and that everybody belongs. An America where we the people means all of us. An America where the promise we were given is a promise we choose to keep. Because if we start deciding who belongs, we start undoing everything that America made possible. Until those three words, we the people, will no longer be an aspiration, but we the people will become the truth of the land. We the people, we the people, we the people. I am Jose Andres, and I endorse this message.
To 25463, pull your phones out. Pull your phones out. If you believe in what we're doing, pull your phones out right now. I'm gonna wait. I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you. Yeah, you. I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you too. You got your phone out? Oh, you do that. All right. So look, what you're gonna do is you're gonna text to 25463. You're gonna text the word belong. The more people we can join in this fight, the more people understand this fight, the bigger we can make it. The better we'll be able to protect our country, protect our Constitution, protect the 14th Amendment. We got to build something better and new. But the first thing we got to do is make sure they don't take our citizenship rights and our civil rights. That's step one. That's step one. All right, now I'm going to turn it over. We got a surprise coming, but I'm going to turn it over for you to tell us a little surprise we got for y'all. We're going to be in this shortly. We're close to the end. But this last thing you're going to want.
How's everyone doing? I know it's hot. I know it's hot. My name is Anu, and I'm with the American Civil Liberties Union. Yeah. And I am here to tell you that just minutes ago, the arguments ended in the Birthright Citizenship case. And as we wait for our lawyers to come out to cheer them on and have them address the crowd, I just want to say that in this fight to defend birthright citizenship, hundreds of thousands of people have supported us all along the way. The ACLU asked folks from across the country to sign their names if they wanted to join us. And last night, we were able to project those hundreds of thousands of names who support birthright citizenship. But I wanted to share with you, this is what that looks like. 250,000 people are with us today. These are the people that we have to keep in our hearts as we're sweating out here while our lawyers are arguing inside. None of us are in this fight alone, as you can see. The wind is at our backs, and we will fight for the dream of the American promise to be fulfilled. I am so deeply proud that my colleague, the ACLU Legal Director, Cecilia Wong, was inside and just finished arguing this case. So we have a little surprise for you. While we wait for them to come out, we are going to play her opening argument. So you can hear it straight from her mouth, why we need to protect the 14th Amendment.
Mr. Chief Justice, and may it please the court, ask any American what our citizenship rule is, and they'll tell you. Everyone born here is a citizen alike. That rule was enshrined in the 14th Amendment to put it out of the reach of any government official to destroy. When the government tried to strip Mr. Wong Kim Ark's citizenship on largely the same grounds they raised today, this court said no. 30 years after ratification, this court held that the 14th Amendment embodies the English common law rule. Virtually everyone born on U.S. soil is subject to its jurisdiction and is a citizen. It excludes only those cloaked with a fiction of extraterritoriality because they are subject to another sovereign's jurisdiction, even when they're in the United States. A closed set of exceptions to an otherwise universal rule. My friend has now clearly said that the government is not asking you to overrule Wong Kim Ark. That is a fatal concession, because Wong Kim Ark's controlling rule of decision precludes their parental domicile requirement. The dissent understood that, and the majority tells us 6 times in the opinion that domicile is irrelevant under common law. Lynch versus Clark was already the dominant American case on citizenship, and it held that the US-born daughter of temporary visitors from Ireland who took the baby back to Ireland with them, that daughter was a US citizen. Authorities, including Lincoln's Attorney General and Kent's commentaries, embraced Lynch, and Kent specifically talked about temporary sojourners' children being US citizens. Justice Field said in 1884 that reflected the general understanding. That understanding was confirmed by Congress with its 1940 Act. The 14th Amendment's fixed, bright-line rule has contributed to the growth and thriving of our nation. It comes from text and history. It is workable, and it prevents manipulation. The executive order fails on all those counts. Swaths of American laws would be rendered senseless. Thousands of American babies will immediately lose their citizenship. And if you credit the government's theory, the citizenship of millions of Americans, past, present, and future, could be called into question. All of this tells us the government's theory is wrong. I welcome the court's questions.
American promise in front of the 9 justices of the U.S. Supreme Court, a woman who just represented us all in the fight to defend birthright citizenship. It is my distinct honor to introduce my colleague, the ACLU's National Legal Director, Cecilia Wong.
Thank you, everyone. So, I haven't prepared anything because I was focused on what just happened. But I want to say that, nothing could be more nerve-wracking than representing our clients in a case that involves something that's so fundamental to all of us, to our families, to our nation, as the fundamental rule that all of us born in this country are citizens, one and all alike. I walked into the courtroom today not only with the support of all of you, and I felt your emanations, okay? Not only as one member of an incredible legal team led by Cody Wofsy, Deputy Director of the ACLU Immigrants' Rights Project, but also with all of our ancestors, right? Whether you're an Indigenous American, whether you are descended from African Americans who were enslaved and free, whether you are the descendant of someone who came on the Mayflower or someone who arrived just before your birth, we all are Americans alike. And that is the principle that we stood up for together, all of us, in the Supreme Court of the United States today. We could not be more confident that despite the policy preferences of the current administration, that this attack on what it means to be American in the most fundamental way, that attack will be turned down. It will be destroyed and left in the wayside because we know what the 14th Amendment says. We know what free Black Americans fought for when they led the way to universal birthright citizenship for all in the 14th Amendment. And so I want to thank you all for standing with us in this fight and for keeping with us every step of the way. Thank you.
My favorite song. Hello. Good afternoon. I'm Anthony Romero. I'm the National Executive Director of the ACLU. And let's give another amazing round of applause to Cecilia Wong, the National Legal Director. Now, for those of you who are not in the courtroom, you have to listen to the audio. She was brilliant. I'm not one to give predictions when I walk out of this courthouse, but I will predict today that we will win this case definitively, possibly with a 7-2 vote, and I'm still hoping that those other two might join the majority in ruling that the Trump executive order on birthright citizenship is unconstitutional. Now, the 14th Amendment was written once and for all to settle who belongs in this country. It is sacred ground for those of us in the civil rights community. Birthright citizenship is how we started atoning for America's original sin of chattel slavery. Birthright citizenship is how we made citizens out of the children of enslaved people. And birthright citizenship is how a nation of immigrants made sure that we would all be equal under the law. Out of many, one. That was the promise of our founders. But if President Trump has his way, when you're born in the USA, you will not be an American citizen. If President Trump has his way, he will create second-class citizens. If President Trump has a way, we will have a country where anyone who is born here of immigrant parents will be relegated to a lower status and denied basic rights because of their citizenship of their parents. Now, President Trump, as it turns out, was sitting 6 feet away from me in the courtroom. And I was watching him as I was listening to the argument, and I dare say that he had a very good lesson in American constitutional law and civil liberties and civil rights. And I could see the way his shoulders slumped when National Legal Director Cecilia Wong stood up and started making arguments that he knew he had a losing case. He turned up today because he wanted to try to put his thumb on the scale. He wanted to try to intimidate some of the justices, 3 of whom he appointed to rule in his favor. I dare say that did not work. Birthright citizenship goes to the heart of who we are. It is literally what and who we're made of. It is, put simply, what makes America great. When President Trump signed his very first order on the very first day of office, the ACLU filed suit 2 hours later. We filed with our partner organizations of the NAACP Legal Defense Fund, Democracy Defenders, Asian Law Caucus, and other groups, and we all stood in the breach because we knew that President Trump had gone too far. Because this fight is bigger than any Supreme Court ruling or any case, we are here to make the record. We are here to make sure that the story is told, that America's immigrants are what make this country strong. We are fighting for the heart and soul of this country. The fight to protect birthright citizenship is about our neighbors, our families, our kids. It's not about the past, it's about the future. It's how we keep our promise to every child, whatever their skin color or wherever their parents are born. And the ACLU has been fighting for this for 106 years. And we will never back down. We will never go away. We will only accept what is just and what is right. And we will take what is owed to us, like water on stone, until this country fulfills its promises of liberty and justice for all. Thank you very, very much.